Ever wondered how realistic images of buildings or products are created before they even exist? Welcome to the world of 3D rendering, a process that turns digital 3D models into stunning 2D images and animations. Let's dive in. The first step in 3D rendering is creating a 3D model. This digital representation of the object or space you want to visualize is crafted using specialized 3D modeling software. The model includes all the necessary details such as geometry, textures, materials, and lighting properties. Next, textures and materials are assigned to the surfaces of the 3D model to give it a realistic appearance. Textures can include a wide range of elements such as colors, patterns, reflections, and other surface details. It's all about making the model as lifelike as possible. Lighting is the next crucial step. Setting up the right lighting conditions for the scene involves placing virtual lights and adjusting their intensity, color, and direction. It's this careful handling of light that creates realistic shadows, highlights, and reflections. Now comes the role of the virtual camera. This camera is positioned within the 3D space to capture the desired view. The field of view, angle, and other camera parameters are specified to ensure the final image meets the desired effect. Once everything is set, the rendering process begins. Using rendering software or engines, calculations are made on how light interacts with the 3D model. The software simulates the effects of shading, reflections, and refractions to bring the model to life. But the journey doesn't end with the initial rendering. Post-processing techniques are often applied to further enhance the final image. This could include adding depth of field, adjusting colors, or incorporating other visual effects. Finally, the last step is output. This is where the final 2D image or animation is generated based on the rendering settings and configurations. The output can take various formats such as JPEG, PNG, or video files. In summary, 3D rendering is a multi-step process that brings digital 3D models to life. It's a tool widely used in architectural visualization, product design, and the entertainment industry. Different rendering techniques like ray tracing and rasterization can be employed to achieve varying levels of realism and performance. The final quality of the rendering depends on factors such as the complexity of the 3D model, the level of detail, and the capabilities of the rendering software or engine. So the next time you marvel at a realistic image of a building yet to be constructed, or an animation that takes your breath away, remember the intricate process of 3D rendering that made it possible.